was done today so far. Run by the pharmacy. Now I gotta go get gas. But I gotta get on the interstate to do that. So that's where we're headed now. I'm hoping that Get Upside deal is still going on at the gas station I usually go to. They're doing like 13 cents back on a gallon, and I got 2 tanks to fill up. Might be coasting on fumes by the time we get there, but we should be able to go and get some gas, get some pretty decent cash back on it. Which I might leave my Get Upside link down in the description. Or at least I will if I remember to do it. That way y'all can get some back as well. I've used it for the last couple years, and I've got well over $100 back in cash. It's a pretty good little thing. I like it quite well. Yeah, today's Tuesday. I'm kind of thrown off. I don't usually work Tuesdays. Extenuating circumstances. All right. So I just put gas in the truck. $95. And I done the mileage calculations, and it's like 11 miles to the gallon. And with an empty truck. But we're gonna see how many miles we can go on that rear tank now. I know I can get 200 safely out of the front. So let's go see how much we can get out of the rear. I got this guy here. I don't know what the hell he thinks he's doing. An awfully big trailer to be trying to bring in through there. But I mean, I guess 11 miles to the gallon is not too bad considering this truck's 32 years old.